If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this Dollar Tree very plain white coffee cup into this cute DIY gift with a nice amount of bling, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, we're going to be adding some vinyl to this glass, this porcelain coffee mug, and we're going to add some rhinestones on top of the vinyl. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a clean cup. And to make sure that there's no oil or anything or dust, I'm just going to wipe it off with some alcohol and make sure I dry it right after. My cousin turned 85 years old, and this is just a quick birthday gift to give her. Her name is Bertha. She's so sweet. So I'm just going to add her name on one side, and you just want to make sure you line it up the best way that you can. I mean, if it's too crooked and like super obvious, of course you just have to peel it back off and do it again. Take an old gift card, or if you have one of those little smoothers, take your time and smooth it. Go ahead and pull off the backing piece. Super cute, simple. Now this letter B, it's really big, so I just wanted that to be bigger than the name, of course. And I think this is like 3 inches long, 2 inches wide. It's still cute just like this, but I'm gonna take some of these 4mm red resin rhinestones, and I'm going again, I was in a hurry, so I'm going to use some rhinestone UV glue. You're welcome to use Liquid Fusion, E6000, Gem Tac, One Dot, Not a Lot. You know, it's a lot of different little glues out there. Use whatever one makes you feel comfortable. The reason why I use this UV rhinestone glue is because I wanted it to cure immediately, because I was headed out to her birthday party and I wanted everything to be ready. So you're just going to see me add the rhinestones. I decided to use 4mm. I use a lot of 5mm. 3mm is cool too. It's like a nice little fill-in rhinestone, but I like how this turned out. So you're basically just tracing the outer edge of the decal, filling it in. Again, if you don't want to fill it in, you can leave it just like this and it's still cute. Ahead of time, I had asked one of her daughters what her favorite color was, what her mom's favorite color is, and my cousin Bertha, apparently she likes red. So that's why I chose the color red. So if you're going to customize a cute little gift for someone, find out what color they like, you know, add a couple rhinestones, and you're good to go. I am using a wax pickup tool. I know a lot of you ask, what is it called? It's called, you either type in wax rhinestone pickup tool, or you can type in wax picker tool. Either or. Type it in on Amazon. You can get these on Amazon. I think I still have some available on my website, but go ahead, get them off Amazon. You can get them from my website, myroyalradiance.com. It's completely up to you, but these things are so helpful. Picking up the rhinestones, you could pick them up real quick. Pick it up and keep moving. I am almost finished. This did not take me long at all, you guys. And I think the rhinestone glue is just some glue I got off Amazon, but I think it's called Marquette. Something like that. But you could just type in UV rhinestone glue and they all pretty much work the same, I feel like. I could have used UV resin. I didn't because UV resin, the consistency is a little thin. And I wanted to make sure I was within my lines, you know. That nail rhinestone UV glue that you use on nails to add on the 3D and all that stuff, this stuff is really strong and it's thick. So that way, once I put it on, I don't have to worry about it running all over the place. Sometimes UV resin can get a little runny. So that's why I didn't use UV resin. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this little DIY Dollar Tree gift. It came out cute. I like this red and white. These colors together are cute. She really liked it. When I gave it to her, I can tell she was surprised and she really appreciated it, you know, because if someone doesn't drink coffee, 9 times out of 10, they drink tea. And if they don't like tea, I'm sure they at least like to drink some hot chocolate, you know what I'm saying? So I think this just makes a really cute gift to give someone. The holidays coming up, this is something that you may want to consider to give because you can make a few of these, pass them out to family members. It can be a cute little stocking stuffer. You can make it for yourself if you're really into coffee mugs like that, you know. But thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. And thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.